Hello everyone, we'll be making a cute dog. So draw the black lines like this. So after drawing the shape like this as shown in the video, write a letter 6 and then draw the lines like this. Make its ears, make its eyes, nose and mouth. Now after that, we'll be making the neck band over its neck. Now complete its tail on the back, color it like this and it's ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be making the line and the circular shape like this. Now make the ears of the kitty. Now make its sleeping eyes, nose and mouth. Make its tail on the back. Now draw the lines like this. Now we'll be drawing the fingers of it. Now color the one eye of it like this and make some patterns and then color it and it's ready. Next, draw a circle on the white sheet. Now draw the lines like this to make the legs of the animal. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make a cute tail on the back. Join the lines to make its legs. Make its ears. Now make the color patterns on its ears. Make some patterns over its body and your kitty is ready. Next, we'll be making a dinosaur. So write a letter B like shape and then we'll be drawing the legs of it. Now make its hands and then draw its eyes. Make the horns on the back of it like this. Now complete the patterns inside its body, color it and it's ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be making a semicircular shape like this, or an oval shape rather. Now make its eyes. So here we are making a fish. Make its fins on the sides, make its tail on the back. Now make the patterns all over its body like this. Draw the lines and then color it using different colors of your choice. Write the digit 20 and another 0 by leaving a few space in the between. Now draw the semicircular shapes or circular shapes like this. Now make the eyes, ears, nose and mouth of it. Now we'll be making a sleeping puppy. So make its legs like this. Now make a tail on the back of it and then color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute bunny. So make the shape like this. Now make its ears on the top. Now make its eyes and then we'll be making its nose and mouth. Now make its hands like this. Now after that, we'll be making a carrot in its hand. Now complete the body of it like this. Now make some dots and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, write a digit 3 like this and write another 1 as shown in the video. Now make the face of the monkey in the front like this by joining the lines. Make its ears on the sides. Now we'll be making its legs like this. Draw its hands and then we'll be making the tail on the back of it like this. Next, we'll be making a dolphin. So draw the lines like this to complete its body. Now after that, we'll be making its mouth in the front. Make its eyes, make its fins on the sides and a cute tail on the back. Now color it. Next, we'll be making a carrot and then draw the leaves of it on the back. Now after that, we'll be making a bunny standing over the carrot like this. So make its hands and then make its face, ears, eyes, nose and mouth as shown in the video. Color it. Color the carrot with orange color and make its ears like this and it's ready. Next, draw a line on the white sheet and then we'll be drawing semicircular shape like this. Now make the lines on the sides and then join it on the top like this by making the ears of the bunny. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Then color it. Color the pink color with the ears like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching a video.